Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News: Cardano's ecosystem set to thrive with latest deployment of JED. In a significant stride for the digital currency space, the JED Alliance has announced the deployment of the JED stablecoin protocol on Milkamada C1. The JED Alliance is a consortium of contributors from around the globe, dedicated to instilling stability in the notoriously volatile cryptocurrency sector. The Alliance oversees the JED stablecoin protocol, fostering its implementations and deployments across various blockchains. The Alliance promotes a healthy collaborative environment, uniting diverse entities around a shared mission. By contributing to the JED stablecoin protocol and collaborating with others in the Alliance, any individual or organization can become a part of this open network. On April 29, 2023, the JED Alliance announced the successful live deployment of the JED stablecoin protocol on Milkamada C1, an EVM-compatible sidechain of Cardano. This marks the protocol's third successful deployment, following its introduction on Ergo's Sigma USD in early 2021 and Cody's JED on Cardano in Q1 2023. The launch on Milkamada C1 stands as the first JED deployment using the Solidity smart contract programming language. This sets the stage for future implementations across other EVM-compatible blockchains, marking a significant milestone in the protocol's expansion. This successful launch represents a fruitful collaboration between industry heavyweights such as Vacuum Labs, Bloxico, EASI, DC Spark, and Milkamada. It traces its roots back to the seminal work carried out by Ergo, Emergo, and Input Output in 2020. Interestingly, two engineers from Emergo who played a pivotal role in JED protocol's early stages later co-founded DC Spark, which built Milkamada C1 and initiated this JED implementation. Both Milkamada and the initial JED implementation were made possible thanks to multiple grants from Project Catalyst, Cardano's community-centric, decentralized innovation fund. The JED Alliance expressed deep gratitude for the Cardano community's backing and anticipated this successful launch would further bolster Cardano's burgeoning ecosystem on Milkamada. According to the JED Alliance's blog post, this marks the first JED deployment that operates autonomously. The immutable, zero-governance protocol ensures the rules or parameters of the deployment cannot be altered. The code underwent numerous revisions, comprehensive testing, testnet deployments, and a meticulous smart contract audit by PeckShield, all to ensure that it functions according to the protocol's specifications. This milestone represents a noteworthy advancement in the realm of stablecoins and a strong validation of the JED Alliance's ongoing mission. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson responds to jab by Ethereum co-founder. Charles Hoskinson is known to take shots at people on the internet with his controversial takes. However, this time the Cardano founder is on the other side of the barrel, targeted for his contributions to Ethereum. Fabian Vogelsteller, an Ethereum co-founder, accused Hoskinson of building literally nothing for Ethereum. While the founder supposedly meant no harm, his words garnered quite a reaction on Twitter, even from Hoskinson himself. Charles Hoskinson built nothing? On April 29, Fabian Vogelsteller stirred quite the controversy after tweeting a post about Ethereum Foundation members who built their blockchains. The post featured images of Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, Polkadot founder Gavin Woods, and Luxo founder Fabian Vogelsteller with their net worths. It appears the post didn't sit well with Vogelsteller, who took it upon himself to correct it. He suggested Charles Hoskinson should be removed from the picture because he was never really a founder of Ethereum and was just at the right place at the right time. While Vogelsteller clarified he meant no offense with his words, he buttressed that he had been involved in Ethereum long before it was formed and knows very well who contributed what and when. In response to Vogelsteller's accusations, many on crypto Twitter quickly came to Hoskinson's defense, flooding his post with memes and replies. Some took jabs at the Luxo founder, and others shared proof of the Cardano founder donning an Ethereum shirt and spreading the word. After things got out of hand, Hoskinson chimed in with his casual sarcasm. The Cardano founder sarcastically thanked Vogelsteller for his comments while hinting at Switzerland and Cardano. Notably, Hoskinson registered the Ethereum Foundation in Switzerland and served as CEO before leaving to build IOG and Cardano in 2015 and 2017, respectively. The rowdy founder left Ethereum when his vision did not align with Bud Aaron. Soon after Hoskinson's reply, Vogelsteller again explained he meant no offense to the Cardano founder's work or skills. Instead, he meant Hoskinson did nothing based purely on contributions to code. He added he didn't plan to instigate blockchain drama. To which the Cardano founder has yet to respond. On the flip side, in March, Hoskinson shared that crypto Twitter and cryptocurrency media content spread FUD instead of constructive information. Why you should care. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is one of the most influential figures in the crypto community. Controversies related to the rowdy founder often reach a considerable audience. Vogelsteller could likely be using the controversy as a marketing ploy to generate interest in his project, Luxo. Price prediction. Cardano price to date is $0.391636 with a 24-hour trading volume of $439.79 million, market cap of $13.25 billion, and market dominance of 1.12%. The ADA price increased 1.89% in the last 24 hours. Cardano price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 3, 2023 at 0.56, the general Cardano price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 13 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 19 signaling bearish signals. ADA price prediction was last updated on May 3, 2023 at 0.56. Cardano key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.388683, Cardano has support levels of $0.379458, $0.371820, and the strongest at $0.362595. Similarly, Cardano resistance levels are at $0.396322, $0.405547, and $0.413185. Cardano reached its highest price on September 2, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $3.10, while Cardano's lowest price was recorded on October 1, 2017 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.017354. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.240191, cycle low. The highest ADA price since the last cycle low was $0.460896, cycle high. The Cardano price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 55, greed. Cardano's current circulating supply is 33.82 BADA out of max supply of 45.00 BADA. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 7.49%, meaning 2.36 BADA were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Cardano is currently ranked number 2 in the proof-of-stake coin sector and ranked number 5 in the Layer 1 sector. Cardano is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 35 days, since March 28, 2023. The price of Cardano is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 35 days, since March 28, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 37 days ago, on March 26, 2023. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on March 28, 2023, which was 35 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Cardano's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $0.361886 by June 1, 2023. Cardano's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.404526 by June 1, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 45.95, which indicates that the ADA market is in a neutral position. According to our current Cardano price prediction, the value of Cardano is predicted to drop by -2.54% and reach $0.381659 by May 7, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 55, greed. Cardano recorded 17/30ths, 57%, green days with 5.02% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Cardano forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Cardano. Comparing Cardano against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Cardano price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Cardano price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, ADA price prediction for year 2026 is $12.39 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Cardano would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $1.420815. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.